One for me and one for Daddy. We're talking mousse.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making a decadent treat, keto chocolate avocado mousse. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, unsweetened almond milk, 0-calorie sweetener, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Start by cutting the avocados and scooping them into a mixing bowl. I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract directly to the avocados. Then, measure out half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Transfer the avocado, almond milk, and vanilla extract into a blender. Now, add the cocoa powder, 0-calorie sweetener, and a pinch of salt. Blend everything together until smooth, ensuring to scrape down the sides for thorough mixing. Once blended, divide the mousse into 4 serving bowls. Cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to let the mousse set. After the chilling time, remove the bowls from the refrigerator. Top each serving with a dollop of whipped cream for an extra indulgence. And there you have it, our keto chocolate avocado mousse is ready to enjoy. Creamy, rich, and guilt-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more keto-friendly recipes.
Can I try yours? Delicious.
It's delicious.
Cheers.
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 This is so good.